In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add subdomain in Wix. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to easily connect any subdomain that you have to your Wix site. You will be able to do this process directly through the Wix dashboard. So go over to your dashboard, and if you have never connected a custom domain, usually you will see the option to do so right away. So you can enter the domain here. Alternatively, use the search function and look for domain. When you go over to the domains page, you will be able to enter your specific domain that you would like to connect. So when you type out any domain here and you click let's go, you will be able to see how the domain sits. So depending on the domain that you select, it is either going to have to be unlocked or you will be able to connect it if you choose the option I own this primary domain. So the first thing that you have to do is remove the domain from the other account where it is connected to, and then you will be able to get it transferred over to Wix. Now, sadly, I don't actually have a domain that I'll be able to demonstrate this process with, but usually when you are able to select, yes, I own this domain, you will be able to proceed and get this process done. It is simple to do. You just have to enter a specific domain that you want to transfer over to Wix. You might have to disable transfer lock and other existing options related to the domain, and you might have to set up domains pointing to Wix using CNAME records in your DNS records, and after you do this, it is going to be connected properly to Wix. If you encounter any problems while trying to do this, double check the domain, see if it was configured correctly, and you enter it here. You will be able to transfer the domain and connect it if you are the owner of the domain, and regardless of the combination that you include, you will be able to get this process done. So usually no action is going to be needed as long as the domain is connected properly. I hope I was able to help you on how to add subdomain in Wix. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.